mHelpDesk doesn't publish a fixed public price because every business gets a custom quote based on team size, features, and how many field service tools they actually need. By the end, you'll understand how mHelpDesk pricing works, what actually affects the cost, and whether it makes sense for service businesses compared to other field service management platforms. mHelpDesk is a field service management software used to handle scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer management, and job tracking in one system. Instead of a single flat subscription, pricing is structured as a customized plan based on business requirements. Now, explain plan structure. mHelpDesk pricing is built around feature tiers where different levels unlock different parts of the workflow system. Lower tiers focus on core operations like scheduling jobs, managing customers, and creating invoices, while higher tiers are designed for automation, reporting, and more advanced job management. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, because advanced tools like automation and reporting are typically reserved for higher tier plans. The second factor is team size, because more users means more technicians, office staff, and managers accessing the system at the same time. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one field service platform that replaces separate tools like scheduling software, invoicing systems, customer databases, and job tracking apps. That matters because businesses often compare mHelpDesk to the combined cost of multiple subscriptions instead of one system. Now explain who uses it. mHelpDesk is mainly used by small to mid-sized service businesses like HVAC contractors, plumbers, electricians, and other field service teams managing recurring jobs and customer requests. Now, explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no public pricing page, and every quote depends on how many features and users are included in a specific setup. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting mHelpDesk to have a fixed monthly price, when in reality it scales based on both features and team size. Now, explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate mHelpDesk pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow, instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller service businesses may not fully use the advanced workflow and automation features, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler scheduling tools. Now simplify it. mHelpDesk pricing is based on business complexity, not a one-size subscription that fits every service company. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need scheduling and invoicing, while larger teams benefit more because they can manage customers, dispatching, and workflows in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and job tracking. Then compare them to what mHelpDesk replaces in one platform. If mHelpDesk replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler field service app may be the better fit.